Hello everyone, MPX AUTOS James here. How are you today? In this video, we would like to share some details about the system that we already finished in the Ford Territory SZ MK1. This one 2011 model. We already did the job. Stage 1 and now it's stage 2, and it's all complete finished. It now has many function and features that including the 9-inch system premium one, and also it including the high definition reverse camera Full HD one, super wide angle anti-glare, and it including the front and rear dash camera Full HD system. And also you can see that the original system was with the thing over here like this, but now that is here, so you can see that that screen now is here nicely over there, and the system is on top nicely as well, so it looks beautiful as we build for it. And there's a hidden features over here. Look at here, USB system over here, and the cigarette lighter chucks over there. That's there. That's exactly what we did for the car model here, and everything is beautifully running, and especially the reverse camera is usually the very best one, and you can see that it is show the turbo, it show the bumper bar and number plate, and it's super clear and detailed, Full HD on the 9-inch premium. That's awesome. That's the best in terms of the camera. And the system has recording camera front and rear at the same time at this moment, and you can control it from the head unit screen easily. So everything is working here from the original. This is original, okay, and the new system actually connect on the top and beautifully built in, and you get everything's running and working. So yeah, we are so happy to announce that it's complete and ready to be picked up. So thanks again for watching, and we will make another video for the Apple CarPlay, and yeah, we'll see you on the next one soon. Thank you, and we'll see you then.